Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you. So, today I made this video to show what is important to create good touch pour. Is it the paint consistency or the power of your hair dryer? Here I'll be using a 12 by 12 canvas. And for base paint, I have used Artist Loft White and light blue. And for touch pour, the colors that I will be using is a combination of red and violet. Both are from Artist Loft. I mixed them and created a red violet. And FolkArt Gold and Sunny Yellow. So these two paints are from FolkArt. Apart from that, I have also used an interior paint from Bear to give a pop of color to the pour. This I got from Lowe's, and it is this interior paint, semi-gloss enamel. So let's see how this all will turn out. My plan is to give you some tips that I learned from this video, mistakes that I made. So this you will see this video has two parts. I'm making the Dutch pour in first part that did not turn out good, and you will see why. And then I will show you my final results, the second pour. I'll let you watch with some light music, but I will continue to come back to show you where I made the mistakes. All right, so you can see my first mistake, that my base paint is too thick. I should have stopped right here and fixed it. But then how would I do this experiment? Since this is thick base paint, I wanted to see how my this new dryer will work on it. Not that I knew at the time when I was doing it. But anyway, so I bought this new dryer. This is 1200 watt. My earlier hair dryer was 1875 watt, and my paint used to fly like crazy when I used to work with that. So I tried using this one at low setting first to see how my paint will roll. So this is from the get-go very thick paint. Um, See, the paint is pushing back, and it is really hard to maneuver the paint this thick. My second mistake that I think that I did was I added too much of top paints. They are light, they are of the right consistency. They were not as thick as my base paint, but I should have used bigger volume, but only single time, not that this much. This was too much. That's what I think. See here, you can see because the base paint was thick or is thick, it is really hard to spread the colors around, and base paint is eating away all the lighter um, paints on top of the base paint. So even though my dryer is of right wattage, people are saying 1000 to around that wattage, 1000, 1200 is a good wattage. Still, the base paint consistency is not good. So I wiped up everything, cut my losses, and started doing again. This time I diluted my paint, and you can see it is flowing very easily. So now the consistency is good. Let's see what results we'll get. So another mistake that I think what I did here is see, can you see the white on the left hand side, the white base? I should have put the top paints right on the border of these two paints. But my paint on the left hand side, you see, is more inside the white. And the white base is even below towards the blue base. And that's not good. This will dilute the paints more. And you will see what I'm saying a little bit in a little bit. Since the white portion is not as vibrant as my blue bottom portion, I picked up the puddle from the previous pour and saved this touch pour something like this. Let me know what do you think of the final results. Hey, it's fluid art. It is relaxing as you can save your piece at any stage. If you want, of course. And just be creative. It should not be cause of concern. It is therapeutic. That's why I like fluid art so much. Thank you for watching, and do let me know in comments if you have any tips or tricks up your sleeve, or if you liked what I showed here. So here's the close-up and final result. Let me know what you think. The bottom portion is quite vibrant. I really, really liked it. We can see we have saved our top white portion that was not at all vibrant in the big to begin with. But with our puddle pour, or not puddle pour, but with the puddle from the bottom of the canvas, we were able to make it vibrant. I like this piece. Let me know what you think. Thank Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.